Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are getting ready to fish the US Open from Bass Pro on the Potomac River. This is going to be the tournament video. I already discussed in the last video about practice on why I'm filming the intros afterwards. We had to be in the water and running at dark. They had the tournament at a boat ramp with no boat ramp. So you had to put your boat in somewhere else and then run to a different boat ramp to get your live wells checked and stuff like that. So it was dark out when I was doing all that. I never got a chance to film an intro, but today's going to be the tournament. Let's just get right into it and see how it goes. We were boat 115. We took off looking for some big ones. We had from 6:30 to 2:30 to find them, and we started on some hard cover, went to some grass later in the day, and we kind of just went with the flow after that to try and figure out what was going on. So hope you enjoy the video, and let's get into it. Throw my wacky rig up there. Got one. I don't even think he's gonna keep. Never mind. We're good. Yep. But that's a good sign. I'll check him just in case. No. Short. See if we can get another one. A bigger one. Got another one. And it's a bigger one. Come on, buddy. Perfect. That's one. I got him. He's good. There we go. There's a lot of fish under that dock. It's a good one too. Oh, don't come off. Get him. Yes. I'm gonna keep skipping under there as long as they're biting.
Just stay here.
That's where they're all sitting, all around the tip of this thing. And then when the tide gets up, they disperse. That's the cast.
Got one?
Yep. It's a good one. It's coming right at you. Did you get him? Nope. We're gonna get a whole limit right here. Not big ones, but we can upgrade. Yeah, that's 1.5 pounds. Hey, that's 3. That's all that matters. That's far. Never mind. Oh, he's tiny. I don't need the net, I'm good. But they're starting to move in here. Little ones come first, big ones come after. Short. Got another one. Yep. Come on, buddy. He'll keep. He's small, but he'll keep. I think he'll keep. I'm not gonna lie to you. Why is my live well off? Why is my live well off? Oh. Button got pushed. I'm gonna put some G. Yep, I'm just gonna put some G juice in here real fast. That should get him going. There it is. Yep. Don't fall. 5. Boom.
No, this thing's kind of, you throw a couple more under there.
I'm not leaving yet. I'm just saying we got 5. Come on, fish. Give me a 2-pounder. Then we'll leave you alone. There she is. I don't think it's a 2, but it'll call. It might not. Nope. It's okay, where there's one, there's more. We'll let her go. Oh my.
That's a little one.
Wrong direction. What happened to all the big ones from yesterday? I don't know where that went.
You got one?
Yep. Oh. It's a good one. Yes, yes. That's a 2.
We're calling, baby.
Where he's on the right side. We got 10 even.
Number 4.
On the right. Should be by himself.
Got it?
Yep. You want to throw him back?
Yep.
Getting rid of that one. Upgrading with that one.
Where do you want this one at?
Put him right there. 2.5 out on that grass edge outside. I think that's our best bet to just go chuck in those areas for a while.
What do you always tell me?
Don't like that. Because it's going to take a little bit to get there. Probably leave us like 1 hour to fish it at most. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video of us fishing the Potomac River today. Unfortunately, we finished in 42nd place by 0.05 pounds. They took the top 40 to the national championship there for this event, and unfortunately we did not qualify. Our biggest mistake was that we didn't stay on the hard cover longer. They were biting and we should have never left. We probably would have got one more 2-pounder. We had a 1.5-pounder in the live well. All we had to do was catch another 2-pounder on that wacky rig and we would have been in there. Hindsight's 20/20, and we'll get them on the next one. We got 2 more episodes left of the Leave It on the Scale series. It's going to be Cayuga Lake and St. Lawrence River, and if we don't make the regional for the BFLs, that is going to be the end of the Leave It on the Scale series this year. It's been a very hard year, it's been a tough year, and it has been my worst year of tournament fishing ever. So not a great way to start the series, but I promise it's going to get better next year. Like I said, we got some exciting news coming for some stuff on the channel here, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Hit the subscribe button down below if you'd like to see more videos, and hit the like button if you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching.